Here's how to make an alkaline apple crumble for the filling. You're going to need 3 Bramley apples or 4 medium normal apples, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or agave syrup, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, which is optional, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which is also optional. Now for the topping. You're going to need 1/2 cup of almonds or a mix of nuts like walnuts, almonds or cashews, whatever you want, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut, optional for texture, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or agave syrup, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, melted, optional for richness. So here's the instructions. Prepare the filling. Peel, core and chop the apples into bite-sized pieces. Upon further examination, my Bramley apples are rather large, as you can see, and I've already filled the dish that I'm going to use. I'm going to mix it in here, but I've checked it in here for size. So if you have massive ones like me, then you will need to use a bit less and just check that it will fit with a bit of space on top in your dish you're going to use. Once you've peeled and cored the apples, you need to sit in a large mixing bowl, toss the chopped apples with honey, cinnamon and lemon juice if using until well combined, and then set aside. Place the almonds or your chosen nuts and sunflower seeds into a food processor, pulse until they are finely crushed but not powdered. Aim for a coarse, crumbly texture. Now transfer the crushed nuts and seeds to a bowl and mix in the shredded coconut if using. Add honey and melted coconut oil, stirring until the mixture forms a crumbly texture. If it is too dry, add a little more coconut oil or honey to help it bind together. Now assemble the crumble. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees C. Transfer the apple filling to an oven-safe dish and spread it evenly. A 9-inch pie dish is best. I'm using this one. Now sprinkle the nut and seed mixture generously over the top of the fruit. Now bake. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the fruit is tender and the topping is golden brown and crisp. Serve. Allow it to cool slightly before serving. Enjoy your flourless apple crumble on its own, or with a drizzle of honey, or a dollop of fresh coconut cream for extra richness. If you want to see how to make any other healthy Christmas food, have a look at the playlist on screen now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.